Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix there was a problem sending a verification code to please enter a different phone number. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, check for typos. Meticulously review the phone number you entered to ensure there are no mistakes. Even a single incorrect digit can prevent the code from being sent. Also verify number format. Confirm that the phone number is formatted correctly for the service you're using. Pay attention to country codes and any necessary prefixes. Check for signal strength and network issues. Ensure you have a reliable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. If the signal is weak or unreliable, try moving to a different location with better reception. You can also contact your mobile carrier to verify that they are not blocking SMS messages from the service you're attempting to use. Some carriers might have restrictions in place for security reasons. If you have access to another phone number, try using it to receive the verification code. This can help isolate whether the issue is with the specific number or a broader problem. If the service offers alternative verification methods, such as email or voice call, consider using those options instead. If none of these solutions work, reach out to the customer support team of the service you're using. They can provide more specific guidance based on their system and potential error causes. And that's how you can fix there was a problem sending a verification code to please enter a different phone number. Hope you like the video. Thanks.